Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Best regards. Introduce myself. My name is Lalu Raftha Patech. I'm student at the Postgraduate Faculty Education, University of Mataram. My focus study in biology. I will present my research journal. The title is Seagrass Conservation Needs Based on Assessment of Local Scale Economic Value on the Diversity of its Associated Biota on the South Coast is Lombok, Indonesia. Seagrass fields are one of the most productive marine ecosystems in the world that support good fisheries. Seagrass act as a nursery, shelter, and find food for many marine fish and invertebrates so that fishermen directly rely on marine biota associated with seagrass. We know role of seagrass for biota in South Beach of East Lombok is very important. Seagrass fields provide provision services that play an important role in food security and human welfare, especially in coastal fishing villages. But seagrass as a biota and fish habitat is determined by the density of soot, composition of species, surface area, physical parameters such as current and its interaction with seagrass. So it is known that more than 12% of commercial fish species use seagrass as habitat in their life cycle. But the condition of seagrass closure is certainly a very decisive factor in the presence of biota associated with it. In addition, other environmental factors such as fertility and observation times also affect the associated biota. Its utilization value does not count as support for the production and livelihood of seafood for the community. It's danger because seagrass ecosystem service as underestimated and undervalued. The aims of study. This research is a preliminary study and aims to demonstrate the economic value provided by seagrass ecosystem service in providing seafood directly, but as a primary and secondary source. This research site in South Coast water of East Lombok. The local community at the study site has a direct reliance on natural research from ecosystem seagrass. Marine environment in the study area have a local community or small-scale fishermen have used its environmentally friendly marine cultivation area. Another potential is the presence of seagrass fields scattered along the coastal waters of Lombok Island and Small Island. This research was conducted from September 2019 until August 2020. Data collection and analysis. Primary data was collected using questionnaire, in-depth interview and focus group discussion (FGD). One data analysis using AOP production effect method. This the assessment of coastal and marine resource economic. For fish, types of fish acquired in identification using guided from Sukamoto et al. Bivalvia identification based on the book Abbott. And for mollusca identification using books FAO, The Living Marine Resource of Western Central Pacific, Volume 1, and Indonesian snails and clams Shell from Dharma. Result and discussion. Livelihood of local community search from Seagrass at the study site. The number of respondents at the study site for fish is 150%, and for collector crustacea and shrimp 45%, and crab 40%, mollusca ax bivalvia 78%, and squid, also octopus, is 50%. So this percentage number of respondents from biota catching. Fish is higher with 30.42%, and lowest is crab for 10.58%. Livelihood of local community search from Seagrass at the study. From average number of fish and biota catches at the study site. Fishermen generally catch fish and collect biota in Seagrass ecosystem at low tide, with a total average day of 50 days per month, or total in year is 180 days. Fish catch and biota collection. Local kale name is Mada, only for their own consumption, and are partially sold in the local market. Based on the local market price, the selling value of fish range between 2,000 rupiah until 100,000 Indonesian rupiah per kilogram, or average 50,000 until 50,000 rupiah per kilogram. This value is much smaller than the price of the existing biota, which ranges between 3,000 until 175,000 Indonesian rupiah. Seagrass conservation is urgently needed by the local community of economic value. Based on the analysis, the utility of fisheries for fishing is 16,281 US dollar. Crustacea like a shrimp is 4,824 US dollar. For lobster and crabs respectively is 9,648 US dollar, while bivalvia is 1,809 US dollar. For cephalopod like a squid is 7,839 US dollar, and octopus hike is 11,725 US dollar. As such, the total utilization of seagrass with fishing routes and nets using boats around the seagrass area on the south coast of East Lombok is 40,669 US dollar, and coastal activities pemada or collector with bubu and gareng fishing equipment is $21,105. Thus, the total economic value of fish and marine biota obtained in the seagrass ecosystem area is $61,774 per hectare per year. This value is quite significant, especially for people in villages located in the coast, as in fishing village on the south coast of East Lombok. Real economic value also show that seagrass ecosystem is an important that can be a location for looking for marine biota as a food source for people on the south coast of East Lombok, especially during the difficult season to do fishing activity. Catching a biota with catch tool that cause damage to seagrass ecosystem, such as a drill net, chemical toxin like a potassium cyanide and gareng. Another factor also causing damage to seagrass ecosystem is anthropogenic activity entering the coast, oil pollution, and other activities of the people that do not pay attention to the function of seagrass. Conclusion: seagrass ecosystem is an important ecosystem that desperately needs attention with the conservation and maintenance of its condition to remain stable. It has high economic value. However, the function of seagrass ecosystem service as a very helpful area in the provision of marine biota is greatly ignored, and the value of its benefit is not yet fully understood by the community. Therefore, community-based conservation is necessary to be implemented. Thank you.